Hello mga kachan! Stop wishing! Start doing na naman tayo. We are here in Harat Viewpoint, one of the best places in Al-Ula. Harat Viewpoint, you can get a lofty perspective. Al-Ula is a blessed with numerous lookout points that offer an elevated view of the epic landscape, but none quite as epic as Harat Viewpoint. Stand at what feels like the edge of the world, overlooking deep canyons, the lush green oasis, and incredible rock formation. As far as the eye you can see, what are the spectacular spots here in Harat Viewpoint? Actually, the summit of a volcanic mountain opens in the late afternoon, enabling visitors to arrive and gaze down below at the oasis, Old Town, and the wider valley before enjoying another wonderful Saudi sunset. Okay, so where is the Harat Viewpoint located? The viewpoint sits on the top of Harat Uwairid, a volcanic mountain situated in a lava field approximately 30 minutes by car from Al-Ula's Old Town. How high is the viewpoint? The Harat Viewpoint is 1,219 meters above the sea level and offers panoramic views of the oasis, the Danan Old Town, and more. Balik na kami.
Minsan may nag-concert.
Lamig. Sarap.
Sa malabitukang daan. Oo.
Gusto mo shortcut dyan, no? Diretso dyan.
Pagulong-gulong ka.
Shortcut dyan.
Pagulong-gulong, pwede din.
Mas matagal yung biyahe natin, no?
Mas matagal yung biyahe ko sa picture. Ito na kami pababa na. Nabuo ko.